Let's fix the Instagram follow limit. Now, if you're getting errors that say basically you've reached the follow limit on Instagram, I'm going to show you different steps that you can take to get that fixed and get Instagram working as normal. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. So if you hop into Instagram here and say you're following a bunch of different accounts, there are a couple different limitations that Instagram has. One is that you cannot follow more than 7,500 different followers or accounts. Basically, if you reach 7,500 different accounts that you follow, you cannot follow another new one until you unfollow some of the other ones. So that is one of the limitations. The other one is a time limit based on how many followers or many accounts that you can follow within a certain amount of time. So usually if you follow, say, more than 50 accounts within an hour, you could be flagged on Instagram as basically a bot or a third-party service is trying to follow a bunch of people and then unfollow them basically to get new followers. To get around that, we're going to make sure that you don't have any third-party apps on your specific Instagram account. So let's tap on the profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Let's tap on settings here, and then we will tap on security midway down. Now here you can see at the bottom is apps and websites. I can go there, and if you have any active apps down here, I would go into there and remove their access from your Instagram account. Basically, they could be causing you to receive these following limit issues, and basically remove those and then go back, and beyond that, you just kind of have to cool it and take a break on Instagram. Make sure you don't follow anybody for a set amount of time. I recommend saying maybe a full day where you don't follow anyone, and then you can start to trickle it in. You can follow some accounts that you're interested in. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.